Hey guys, I'm going to do something a little bit fun. I haven't done this in a while. I'm going to test a few things. So first of all, in front of my dishwasher here, I want to get a baseline. Show me a yes. Show me a yes. Show me a yes. Okay, I'm doing a counterclockwise circle. Show me a no. Show me a no. Show me a no. It's going up and down. All right, let's go right to my structured water here. Is this good for me? Is this good for me? Yes, it's good for me. Is this honey good for me? Is this honey good for me? It's not. Actually, I know I've been having trouble with honey. I always feel bloated. It's good honey, but it's just not suitable for me. How about this super organic fiber? Is this good for me? Yeah, my body's wanting that. Okay, very cool, interesting. I've noticed that too before, recently. Okay, is this water? Wow, okay. Is this good for me? So this is a glass of tap water and very strong. It is not good for me. We'll go back to the structured water. Yeah, it's good for me. Absolutely. My kefir, everyone knows I love kefir. Is this kefir good for me? Look at this. It's telling me that this kefir is not good for me. My body doesn't want this right now. How about the double fermented kefir? Is this good for me? Is this good for me? Now this is very interesting. This double fermented kefir has the organic super fiber in it and some peanut butter and bananas and some organic cacao. That's good for me. Okay. Okay, is this super green juice good for me? Is it good for me? It is good for me. Yep, my body seems to be wanting a bit more plant food recently. Okay, and this is a cup of chai tea that I just made. Is this tea good for me? It is not good for me. And this is interesting. Now, this has good filtered water in it, but it's got the honey and it's got some cinnamon. So anyway, you can see I can ask all of these different types of questions if this is good for me. Let's go back, just back again. Is this good for me? It's not good for me. Once again, show me a yes. Show me a yes. Just show me a yes. I want to see a yes. Show me a no. Show me a no. Yep, that's it.